How to cancel a hotel reservation on Priceline. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide for that. So let's just dive right into the video. For that, we can go to the Priceline website or the application. You may open any of them. And once we open it up, we need to open up My Trips if signed in, or Find My Trips if you're not logged in. So if you're in this page, if you've already logged in, we can look out for this option called My Trips and click on it. And once we click on it here, we'll be finding all of our trips, including their details. And we just need to tap on it in order to look out for our trip. We can just go over and enter up our trip number in this box right here. And once we type it up, we can tap on this option called Look Up Trip and open up the correct hotel reservation. And once you do so, you just need to tap on the option of View or Cancel Itinerary on that reservation and find the cancel button there usually. And once we find it up, we can find all our canceled reservation in this past and cancel section. When you do so, you can read the cancellation policy and any fees shown on the screen. And if you agree, you can proceed with the cancel reservation and wait for the cancellation confirmation message or page. And once you do so, you can even check out your email for the cancellation confirmation. For that, go to email application and look out for the particular email of cancellation that you're looking for, and that should do it for you. You can just go over and do so. Sometimes the refund or the credit timing might not appear immediately in the email, so you need to confirm the trip saying that it shows cancelled, and that's it. So usually this is how we do it. This is how we should be able to view and cancel a hotel reservation on Priceline. So we hope this video was helpful to you, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.